Kulishun fibro session pan kajim tip namta kubor Laitkam te kane kade ka kubor Laitkam namta arpo tadi kidon ki post kom ki helper namta ki pre primary school teacher then sampai yang ne ngan pli kom kene advertisements ngabha kade po is Jaintia Hill district clear ma application in standard form of application are invited from eligible candidate who are citizen of India. Propose of detail below on contractual basis akan mau kata bagi dari contractual basis and the pre-primary SSA School of East Jaintia Hill District negara bihapo school East Jaintia Hill District. The post is purely temporary and on contractual basis on the project funding on implementation conclude. The last date receipt of application will be of 4 April second mau ha South April kadai last date hadu saw waje janmit no application will be entertained after the expiry of the last date that is 4 April 2025. Dia kanero pihak pendap lengba standard form pilaban tit napo di dukan Xerox pilaban download ki babu tagi aplikasi standard form sa pendap helper in the pre-primary school kini helper kinong yaram dan kam ar pongut the class 12 pass with 45% above and eager to work with children pass class 12 tangba dan pass 100% subsan percentage kin IAP ka fixed pay ka belong san hajar shibanai te ki bakwa te sa le ka bron kam ke yun kam nam takane eligibility and suitable candidate should apply in standard form kata standard form ngada batai ba phaban tit na po dukan Xerox sapandam condition phone kai ai of application along with self attested self attest hi kita ki document kata kalong ka seal tribe certificate mark sheet jong phi 10 12 kam tatar kamtam ka 12 kidon kam birth certificate jong phi residential certificate jong phi badai na East Jaintia Hill na dina West Jaintia Hill kata ki ko apply and experience certificate lada pil adon experience ada amdon relay 2 passport size photograph and contact number email kini contact number email pihak tho pandap kata the certificate document in original are to be produced at the time of interview tai kini original de pinsara pade ha for interview tai kini ki pala mention hangne pihak ban Xerox ban self attest hi sa submit lang bar application. Application will be received in the office of the undersigned during the office hour up to 4 p.m. The 4th April 2025. Tekane ke office kandon be po DC office desalit kali mapi kadon e kata ka office kaban sim nam ta gini application form dengan puli pendam. There shall be a process of scrutiny kandon ka scrutiny ka screening candidate and service candidate will be allowed to appear in interview kandon kata ka scrutiny la mendek exam ne la mendek kono kat bakila. The selected list of candidates will display on the notice board of the office. Can be upon notice board. Then candidate which do not fulfill the above criteria will be rejected. Age limit as per government rules. And first reference as per government rule, kembut kan beja around kapra hadu live OR dan plus sans name kanong mai kapra live news name. First reference will be a female candidate. Kabanikong first reference kan be contain and the local people. Kita artali mo contain but the local people of the village. Jonggot ka village kabadon tu kisno. Of the village having those eligible school to be appointed to help us in pre-primary section. Tang ne mention ra ki don hey kita school te tangwa kilong ba ki badai na kita kisnong kin ai shwa ki kin tag bari kan thei first preference but ki di local jong ka jaka kin yo first preference shwa kin jit shwa kita hi bari na to kisnong hi mara kamsuk hi sanaja tangka te hapo shnong khambiang nei nabar de la janjar ban lai note it will be katu tip date of interview will be informed later taken inform aden ya date interview marba lapan number phone ber email the second mau ban lej ha connect office district mission coordinator SSA is Jaintia Hill district clear te kande kandon be shopo DC office sakali shopo DC office kadon e kata ka connect office submit gitu application yung pi hangni te yakini te khambiang kan apply hi kidai na po is Jaintia Hill hi yang ta marbala de preference ki is Jaintia Hill te ki banabar te ka shong api la dapi ko apply te pila ban apply te nakan nei ki jum tip nakaleng jonga kule chuan